Good morning, everyone. Happy Sunday. Megan and I were actually bad at planning all of our videos and stuff that we had coming up, so we're recording technically on the day that this video should go up. I'm guessing this is going up on like Monday or Tuesday, but we are going to be recording a Sunday kind of reset day in our life video, which I actually think is going to be good because I don't think we've vlogged anything besides some week in our lives recently, so it'll be good to have kind of an off day where we show you what we do. So I wish I would have known that we were doing this morning because I already went and worked out, showered. That's why I'm trying to curl my hair. I put like some rope braids in. I'm not handy with doing anything related to my hair, so these rope braids probably do not look good, but hopefully when they fully dry and I let them down, some form of curls will appear. I started cleaning my bathroom so I can show you guys that. I also replaced some of the knobs in my bathroom because they were previously like ladybugs and flowers from, I think it was like a child's bathroom, and so those were the old handles. Finally got those changed out, started some laundry, started cleaning my room, so I kind of will show you what we're doing. That's the dryer right now. So here's what's going on in my room right now. I have my bedding currently off because I'm washing it, so I'll eventually kind of put that all back together. I'm determined. I think I need to hang these up today. I've been having them sitting here for like a month, and I've just been putting it off because I don't want to go through the effort of having to measure everything out on my wall and put the nails up and stuff, but I just need to do it. Have the vacuum in here so I can remind myself to vacuum. These are my bathroom mats that are currently in my room because I cleaned my floor in my bathroom. That needs to get put away, and then otherwise we've got laundry over here, and here's the bathroom. The floor is dry, so I could probably put the mats back in, but kind of cleaned up in here. Got the the handles replaced, just some black knobs from Home Depot. So I need to get a towel holder at some point to put on the wall because right now I've just been putting towels like on my counter. I currently don't have one out right now. And then I kind of wanted to get a shelf for above my toilet just to like have a tray and like maybe put my most used items on here so that I don't have to like constantly reach into and out of the drawer. So I don't know if that's gonna happen today, but like those are things that I kind of want to do in my bathroom still. My bed is freshly made. Also, if you guys have a duvet cover and you feel like you struggle to put it on, look up the burrito method or something like that. I wish I would have shown you, but Megan had the camera and she was cleaning her bathroom. But it literally makes it so much easier. I just put that duvet on in like 3 minutes. So definitely look that up if you struggle with your duvet. I can now also officially show you guys what our front office / podcast room looks like because we just posted the first video version of our podcast last week, and so I will show you what we have. This corner area is the set for the podcast. This is essentially kind of what the angle looks like when we're recording. We'll try and get that channel linked on this Megan and Sierra channel shortly. We also have this cute little rug from, I think, Society 6. You can't see this in the podcast, but you know, it adds a nice little fun touch to the space. I believe these couches were from Amazon. Shelf was from Wayfair. Art was from Etsy. I don't exactly know where everything else is from. And then we actually just got this kind of built-in desk put in. It currently only has one handle on because Megan and I tried to put that on ourselves. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it is definitely crooked. And so we were debating on if we should have our dad help us fix that or just leave it. So we have a couple more handles to put on. This one actually is fine, should be pretty level. We just need to make that hole a little bit bigger and find some longer screws to put in for that. And then we're kind of holding off on this one because we don't want to make it crooked. But this like lower shelf unit was actually left in the basement by the previous owners. And then we bought this butcher block countertop ourselves, and our dad helped us install that. So now we have a little dual desk area that's built in, and I think it'll be a nice little area to sit down, edit, study if we need to, all that fun stuff. It's right by the windows, which I think will be nice to let in some light. So yeah, that's the updated area. Not fully done yet, obviously, but definitely lots of changes. So I did indeed decide I'm going to try hanging up those prints on the wall, which means that I have to do what I've been not looking forward to, which is trying to do a lot of math and measuring to figure out how to make these level and centered where I want them. Megan did in her room, so I asked her for some tips, which she did give me, but I just really don't want to do this. I'm probably gonna pop something on my TV and just like really try and use my brain. Big brain energy. Okay, the living room is officially all cleaned up. I did like the floors. Sierra cleaned up a little bit before I think I even woke up, like she dusted and whatnot. Vacuumed the rug, I even vacuumed the stairs, and all of that is good. Kitchen is also cleaned up. So, it's 11:30. I have a couple other things. Maybe I'll just like read what I still had on my to-do list today, and then we can kind of think of what I want to do next. So, need to go grocery shopping. Need to go scrub shopping because my next clinical I need to get black scrubs. So I'm also making like a TikTok where I'm trying different scrubs and reviewing them. And so I've already ordered a pair of figs, a pair from Janu, if that's how you pronounce that one. Sierra has some bottoms from Mandala, and then that she's like not super impressed with, so like I'll use them for the review, but I'm like not super sure I want to order from there. And then I also wanted to get some from Walmart just because they'd be more affordable and just for like another thing to compare. So I think I might go to Walmart to do that, and then also like grab something there to eat for lunch because I don't really know if we have lunch, but I don't want to we don't usually grocery shop at Walmart, and I don't want to like refigure out a whole store, so I'll come back and grocery shop later. But we also need to podcast today, probably do some video and content planning so that we don't do what we did today where we don't have a video idea. And then I was maybe thinking of like, I have a bunch of vertical videos on my phone. I'm trying to get better at using TikTok, so maybe trying to edit together something into like a home renovation type of video, but I have to figure out like what clips I have and like what would make sense to make a video of. So maybe that will be on the agenda today. Here's the grand reveal. I got my floor vacuumed, so now that the pictures are up, everything is officially all done in my room. It's so nice to have those up. That actually was definitely, like, I was making that task a lot bigger in my head than it was to actually do in real life. And I think it looks pretty good. So that is from Etsy. Megan and I have pretty much been getting all of our art from Etsy if you guys are interested. I think it looks nice with all the other orange and yellow stuff they have going on in my room. I wasn't planning on trying them on in Walmart, but I kind of wasn't sure about my luck, so here's what we've got. I am not going to show these on because I'm going to make a TikTok about that, but I am hopefully not going to be empty-handed. So I'm actually pretty impressed with the scrub top that I found, and then the scrub bottoms. I was able to try on a pair that I liked and the right size, but it was in pink and they didn't have it in black, so I might go and try to order those online. But if that works out, I'm honestly pretty impressed, especially because when I looked at the tag on here, this was like a more expensive scrub top compared to other ones at Walmart, but it was the one that I liked the most. So it said $23 on the tag, and then I rang it up at self-checkout, and it just had it listed as generic scrubs, and it was $5. $5 for this top that was supposed to be $23. So now I'm kind of mad that they don't have the pants here in my size, but it is what it is. I didn't want any of the other pants. I didn't really like any of the other pants, so I will see if I can find any deals online or if the pants are still going to be like $23. But if you could find both at Walmart, that's the one, like that's the bad thing about Walmart is you don't know if they're going to have the size, color, whatever that you need. So anyways, I'm going to go to Hy-Vee now, go grocery shopping. Sierra sent me a list because I'm doing the shopping, so I was like, at least you can do is send me the grocery list. And then I also need to find something for lunch there because I did not do that here. So That was more successful than I thought it was going to be, though. Up next on the agenda while Megan's out grocery shopping is to do a few things related to some bills that I have. I also have a check from my dad for my birthday that I can deposit onto my account. So just like some quick computer work stuff. Okay, so I have actually done pretty much all of the cleaning that I was planning on doing, and Megan still isn't back from grocery shopping, so I'm going to take this time to read a little bit. If you watched our recent gift swap video, this is actually the book that Megan got me for our birthday. So this is called Thank You for Listening. It's by Julia Whelan. I am just under 100 pages in. I have been hardcore slacking on my reading, so I'm trying to make a little bit of a dent in this today. I was planning on finishing a book this weekend, but I do not know if that is likely, but I am going to head over to the couch and see how much I can get read. So now that Sierra put the pizza in the oven, I am going to see, and Sierra's more than welcome to join me if she wants to find a stopping point in her book. I'm gonna try and do some of that content planning and planning the podcast that we would like to record today, because I'm hoping to do that once we're done eating lunch. And that'll be the last big thing on my to-do list today, which is going to be nice. And I don't have to edit the video or anything this time, which I'd recommend. You might want to make a trip and go get a hard drive or something. Might be worth your while. So usually when Sierra and I do content planning, if we're able to plan like a month ahead, that's kind of a nice amount to do so. So we'd be looking at planning through basically October, which some of the stuff we actually do have planned video wise. So more so podcast episodes would be a good idea. Lunch and YouTube. So Sierra and I finally got ourselves to finish planning all the podcast episodes and like our Megan and Sierra channel videos through October. So good job. Huh? October. Like a sit down video or something we need to plan? Like one more? Yeah. Okay. Well, overall, we did most of the planning. So we are going to eat, and then once we finish this up, then hopefully we go to our podcast room. And I can do a hair reveal. I don't know. We will see. Maybe I'll have to just put it up if it sucks, but I'm trying here. Megan and I are getting ready to podcast. I'm going to try taking my hair out of the little twisting rope braids that I put it in and see what it gave me. The hair is definitely not fully dry. Front sections kind of are. The back, not so much. It's kind of a little bit stringier back there. This is what's annoying. You guys have to let me know. Any people with long hair, do you just, or not even like just long, like thick hair? I feel like my hair never dries when I try to do anything like this. So what do I do with that? Anyway, I'm gonna kind of run my fingers through this and I'll come back with the verdict. Okay, I've decided I think I actually do like it. The issue is it wet? Yeah, the issue is that it's wet, so it's gonna just like fall out probably. But it looks good, I think. Anyways, maybe you're like looking at this and you're like, ew. It's fine. But I mean, I don't know. You guys need to give me tips if like my hair was, I had already blow dried it after I showered this morning. So it was like fairly dry before I even did this. So it's like, what do people do? Have thinner hair? They must. So we are currently getting things set up to record. Megan and I have just been using the ring light that we got literally forever ago as our main source of light. We do have two like box lights that we were debating on setting up, but those are just more of a hassle than so far this seems fun. Yeah, this is good. So just getting things kind of set up, making sure we have tons of battery life, tons of storage for all this stuff. The battery in the camera, and SD card's pretty much empty, but when we do a second clip, make sure it's still fine enough. I brought a blanket for recording because I don't know, it was kind of cold. So I was kind of maybe getting grab one. Anything else? Did you switch the batteries in here? Oh, we should switch them?
I think so. It's on one bar.
Okay. Is it double A or triple A? I just finished recording. I think the episode went well. And now I'm going to try to edit that. I think Megan said that the Bengals game is going to be starting soon.
Yeah,
so I'm gonna probably turn that on. I really hope that this syncing up of the audio and video does not give me issues like it gave Megan last week, because that would be very annoying if I have to deal with that. In the meantime, I'm like, what else do I have to do today? I feel like I have some things on my list, but like not too much. Like I got the bulk of it done this morning. It was good. We do have laundry that we can finish up though. Alright, the perfect end to today's vlog. We finished the puzzle. Megan mostly finished it. I just kind of hopped in for the last little bit. And then I finished my book. We hope you guys enjoyed this fun little Sunday reset vlog. If you have not subscribed to our channel, make sure you do that by clicking the red button down below.
And make sure you go subscribe to our new YouTube channel for our podcast, because we'll be uploading our episodes there every Thursday morning as well. So go check it out, go subscribe.
And we will see you guys in our next video. Bye.
Bye.